Chapter 1. The underground man is a 40-year-old bitter, isolated man. He rejects pure logic, believes humans act irrationally, and often harm themselves too. Show freedom. Themes: alienation, free will, self. Chapter 2. The underground man resents society and feels excluded. He criticizes humans for being lazy and irrational, and says self-awareness can cause pain. Chapter 3. He discusses humans' desire for superiority and recognition. People act out of pride or spite, not just reason, showing inner conflict with society. Chapter 4. He reflects on his own weaknesses and how overthinking causes suffering. Humans resist predictable happiness to assert freedom. Chapter 5 focuses on love and relationships. He admits he sabotages connections due to pride and fear, highlighting isolation and emotional conflict. Chapter 6 critiques social norms and societies. Limits on freedom. People sometimes act against their interest to defy rules, showing spite as a form of independence. Chapter 7 reflects on childhood and past experiences shaping bitterness. Human behavior is influenced by environment, but not fully determined. Chapter 8 explores memory and regret. He dwells on past mistakes, causing guilt and preventing happiness. Shows tension between memory and suffering. Chapter 9 discusses humiliation and social inferiority. Spite arises from feeling powerless, highlighting alienation and irrational behavior. Chapter 10. Humans act against their own interest to assert freedom. Isolation causes pain, but also deflection, showing human irrationality and contradiction.